Finishing up another camping trip, but you can't talk about how good this lifestyle is without showing this kind of mess. This kind of mess right here. This is what I was talking about. I know we was off this level for a minute, but I won't think about it until we get ready to pack up and get out of here. But there we go, good old flat tire. At least it happened right here in the campground. But hey, comes along with the territory.
It looked like it.
What's up, Suckafree family? So we were getting ready to leave and we noticed that we had a flat. So this is our first flat camping.
Yeah, go ahead. Always gotta have backup plan. I changed the spare when I first got this thing by myself. I was out there on the side of the road, the interstate, changed this thing. Crazy. Hey, so it's real. Finally had our first blowout. Put the spare on because my other tire was losing air for some other reason, and then that blew out. Check it out. Not looking good for the home team right there. Got my son right here helping us out though. And we on the side of, let me go around here and show you. We on the side of the road. I ain't gonna get too close on the road, but we got it off now. Got some damage when it blew out. We're about to get back on the road here in a minute. The day just been one of them days. Changed the tire at the campground and then had a blowout on 95. So, hey, welcome to the RV life. This is what we're trying to do. It's all good, just part of it. I can fix that back there. That's too easy. Now, I ain't gonna say it's too easy, but I can get the parts and fix that. So, gotta stay motivated. Stay tightened up. Oh yeah, first video with the blowout. Actually had a doggone blowout, man. That's crazy. See that little action behind me right there? That's the damage to it. We sitting at one of my favorite places. Let me see if I can get in there. There, go back there, south of the border. And also, check out that campground. That's amazing. We've stayed there. You should get in there. There goes a shot of the campground back there. So we just stopped off here to do a little bit. Let me turn the camera around and get a little bit more, a little better shot of the blowout. So yeah, I was able to triage this thing. I'm a mechanic by trade, luckily, you know, so I keep a lot of stuff with me when we traveling. You know, it didn't really scare me too much, but it blew. It was like, boom, you got a TPMS, that's all good. But when you have a blowout, you ain't got no time. That TPMS is like for, you know, if you got a slow leak or something, you can see a tire going down, but when you get a catastrophic failure, it's just boom. And we had one today. It just blew up on 95. I had to pull over, and unfortunately, it's the driver's side of the RV, so super dangerous on the side of the road. But we got her done pretty quick. I had all the power tools, impact wrench, everything, plenty of zip ties to zip everything up and keep it tight so it's not flapping in the wind. And I can probably fix, or will fix most of this. We're gonna see what the insurance company say, but it ain't too bad. Just sheet metal. You know these things ain't made out of much. It ain't gonna, it's just tuck that sheet metal, get me a new fender, and she'll be back as good as new. And get me a doggone another good year for my spare. Hey, hold on, let me turn the camera around. Check this out, Suckafree Syndicate. If y'all, look, you wanna do me a favor, get rid of them doggone channel bombs. If you still riding on them babies, and you bought you ain't got long, you know what I'm saying? So I had one as a spare. I was like, well, it's just a spare. You know, I won't have to use it. And then when I had to use it, the doggone thing blew out on me and damaged my trailer. See that? So, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it ain't that bad. I don't feel too pressed about it. I can get it fixed or ride like that if I'm going to we're going to Myrtle Beach in the next couple weeks. So if I ain't got the parts saying she going like that. But you know, get rid of the channel bombs. Do your man Big Sarge a favor. Get rid of the doggone channel bombs because it's not worth it. Just get rid of it. I can't stress that enough, man. Just get rid of the doggone channel bombs so you don't blow up on the side of the road. So I don't know. We like getting content, but we don't want to get this kind of content when we on the side of the road. But it's part of the RV life. Get used to it if you want to do this. It's a lot of work. Y'all better tighten up. That's all it is to it. Just tighten up and you'll be all good. But y'all stay sucker free, stay tightened up, and we'll see you when we get back down the road. We heading back to Savannah. This gonna end up in a video somewhere. So just stay tuned and tighten up. Another stop, limping her home. My trusty air compressor right there. Getting a workout. Limping her home. I mean, I don't really feel like I got screwed over, but it was bound to happen. I put that channel bomb back on there, freaking, as they call them. I did have it as a spare. I was just using it, thinking I was gonna be good, and I was not good. So we limping her home. We turning a 6-hour trip into about an 8-hour, 9-hour trip. So still trying to make it on in. So we're gonna do a little quick before and after. Not really after, but we're just trying to get some repairs done. So this is the old mess, freaking whatever this is, Trailer King or whatever it was, Castle Rock, that I should have replaced, that I didn't. And that's the blowout damage right there. This is what we ran. These are Goodyear Endurances. They got a decent date code on it, a 21. So, but I like these tires. We switched to these as soon as we got the RV. So this is what we probably gonna go with. Hey, but if y'all got any suggestions, please drop them in the comments and we'll take a look. But right now we running Goodyear Endurance because they have been working for us. Except this one got a slow leak, which is why I had to go to this one. But I should have got the spare to match. So that's on me. But we're gonna fix that problem right now. Trying to tell you, them boys got me squared off over here. My people out at Discount Tire got me back. We are back. Goodyear Endurance. So the problem with my slow leak was doggone rim, and that's crazy. So I ended up having to get a new rim, which is right there. This rim is good. So they just, you know, check the tire, make sure the tire was all good, put it back on the rim. I'm gonna use this as my spare. So then I got Goodyears all the way around instead of that cheap mess. Brand new tire on a brand new rim to go on the back. But these rims right here, this is the second one that I had to take off this thing. So in the back, where they welded at here, these welds right here, instead of doing it all the way around, they do it in spots, and for whatever reason they leak because it happened on another wheel I got. But if you look at these that you get from them, let me see if I can show you. It's just all the way around, solid deal, clean on the inside. So I think I'm gonna snatch them other two off my truck, off my trailer. I'm sorry. Snatch them other two off and just, you know, upgrade all my rims. Keep from having this problem. But we back. Good rubber, good spare. Got to put them back on. Started a little late. I already got it halfway apart. So I don't know if this damage came when the tire blew or these bolts will just bag it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace these bushings and bolts and all that stuff while I'm here. And you know, that's just what you do. If you're already down there, just replace it all and let it eat. Oh yeah, finally made it back to Savannah. Had a little adversity along the way, but we made it back. Beautiful Savannah River, Westin Hotel, Savannah Convention Center across the street. Hey, if you like this content, please like, share, subscribe. We appreciate everybody that does that. We appreciate everybody in the comments, not in the content, in the comments. We appreciate everybody down in the comments. We just appreciate everybody that take the time to look out and watch our videos. You got anything to say?
Nope. Just continue. Well, other than continue watching and supporting, guys, we really appreciate it.
She ain't got nothing to say.
I don't.
So yeah, we made it back out. Made it back out there. Blowout. We back down here still having a good time. We'll get everything fixed and we'll be back on the road. So y'all stay sucker free and tighten up.